Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Garg and today I am going to start the third lecture of our admin series. So in our previous lecture we discussed about object, field, page layouts, compact layout and record types and all, right? So you remember I talk about field, right? So I already say you like there are two type of field, one is standard field and the second one is custom field. And what is the difference between standard field and custom field? Only this double underscore C. Okay, this is the difference between custom field and standard field. So now let me go and create a new field. Okay, so this is the very important topic. Actually, you guys need to understand that. So when you go and create a new field, then you are seeing lot of options here, right? A lot of options like basic options are checkbox, currency, date, time, email, number, percentage, phone, pixels, multi-pixel, test area. I guess everyone know that. Like it's simple. Like what is checkbox. Everyone know that test. Everyone know that number. Everyone know that. So this is I don't think I need to discuss these ones. The main three which I want to discuss is formula field, roll-up summary field, lookup field, and the one is master detail field. Okay. So let me come and first tell you what is the formula field. Okay. So like formula field, what is formula field, right? So what is formula? Like everyone know that what is formula. Like anything which is which we will do with calculation is known as a formula. I'm not sure if this is a good example or not, but like if my date of birth is 1999, okay, and I want that from today how much year old I am, right? So it's 2025 minus 1998, so I am 26 year old, right? So how we can calculate that? Using formula, right? Using formula we can calculate that, right? Or I can create any type of formula like if I want that if today date I want to put in, I want today plus 10 days after date, I want to put it in one field. Okay, so let me create one field, 10 days from today. So this is my formula, right? So I'm creating date type of it, right? Now I need to create a advanced formula. Always choose as advanced formula. I never choose simple formula actually. I don't know what is the use of simple formula, right? So let me see if we have anything here. So today, right? So today I insert today plus 10. So whatever the date we have in today, after those date we can add 10 more days, and yeah, your formula is done. Hope we are not getting any error. Yeah, we are not getting any error. Thank God. So yeah, so I create and save it. So now when I go to the account layout, hope that page will refresh automatically. Otherwise, yeah, it's fine actually. So see, we are getting 4th of November 2025. So today 24th of September and 10 days is 4th of November obviously. So now this is the correct date. Okay, so this is the formula field. You can create any type of formula with the use of ChatGPT. You don't need to think more, just go and use the AI and you can create the formulas. But yeah, read about that and understand that how you can create more formulas. Okay. Now one thing which I want to discuss here, you can see that we cannot edit formula, right? Why we cannot edit that? Because think about a condition like this is something which is calculated. If I edit this, then the calculation must be wrong. Like anyone can go and say how what formula you write, this is wrong, this is wrong date actually, right? So that's why we cannot edit the formula field, right? You can change the logic, you can change the logic of formula field, but you cannot edit that in the record level. Hope this is understand. Cool. Okay, now let me go to the next topic, which is Salesforce relationships. Okay, so under the account you are seeing some contacts, right? Some campaigns. So all these contacts, campaign members, opportunity, all these are the child of account. So account is a parent. Under the parent we have some child, which is so this is parent to child relationship, right? So in the child we can create two type of relationship. The first one is lookup relationship and the second one is master detail relationship. So in Salesforce, whenever you go to the child, you can give the lookup of your parent. You understand or not? Let me go and go to the paint. See, if I have two object, one object and two object, okay. Now what I want that these two objects should be connected, right? How these will be connected? Maybe they are sibling. No, I don't want sibling. What I want parent to child. So I want this is as a parent and this is as a child. So now how you can I make it this relationship? There are two ways we can do that. The first one is lookup relation, okay, and second one is master detail relation, okay. Now what is the difference between lookup and master detail? So first thing, where we need to create the field, in the parent or in the child? Okay, so we will create any lookup or master detail relationship in the child because we want to make a parent. So that's why we need to create a field on the child, okay. So once you create the field on the child, then this you can make it you can give a relationship with parents. So this is a child, okay. So here you see this is some type of lookup or master, you can say that, but this is some type of relationship. So what I do, and I go and I simply add it and add whatever account I want. Hope this is understand. Hope you are understand that. Now the question is, why two relationship? Like both are doing parent to child only, though what is the use of master detail and what is the use of lookup? So now this is the question, right? So let me clear it out. Simple. So master detail relationship is that type of relationship where when you delete the parent, all the child will automatically delete it. Hope you understand that. So means if I delete the parent account, if I delete this account, then this contact will also delete it because of master detail relation. This is not a master detail. Account and contact is not a master detail, but this is just I am saying you the one answer, one simple example. Like whenever you delete the parent, then all the child will also delete it. That type of relationship known as a master detail relationship. Hope I am clear. Second thing, if I want to create a roll-up summary field, then I need a master detail relation. What a roll-up summary field I will tell you later, but this is something you need to understand. If you want to create a roll-up summary field, then you need to go with master detail relationship for sure. So this is the second example of master detail relationship. Hope this is clear. There are some other difference also, but for now you can understand these two only, okay. Hope master detail and lookup relationship you guys are clear. So now let me go to my course object, and what can I do? I have one coupon object also. So let me do one thing. Let me create one more object, which is college, okay. Now under the course, we can go to the course, fields and relationship, create one master detail relationship. Now in the master detail, we can go and choose the college, okay. So now college is the parent and course is the child, okay. So now I created the master detail and save it, okay. So yeah, this is course, and under the course we have one college. College is a parent with master detail. So now when I go to the college, and here if I want to create one new field, then you see one more field which is roll up summary field. What is roll up summary field now, right? So roll up summary field is something like sum of courses. Okay. So roll up summary field will provide you 4 type of operation: count, sum, minimum and maximum. So count. So I want to count the courses, like under one college if I have 10 courses, I want in the college level I want a count of those courses, right? So how we can do that? Like in roll up summary field, we can simply see the count of all the child college courses. So like I have one college which is ABC. Under ABC college we have 10 courses. Then in the ABC college field you can see all the 10 colleges, means you can see the count of 10. Sum, like if you want to do some sum of some field. Minimum is something like if you want to give minimum, like you want to calculate the minimum of amount or maximum of amount or anything. Hope this is clear. Hope roll up summary field also clear. So we learn about formula field, we learn about lookup and master detail relationship, we learn about roll up summary field. So data type is clear. Maybe you are able to understand what is fields and relationship, right? Now one more topic which is button, links and action. Okay. So in Salesforce, whatever buttons you are seeing here now, how you can create a new button. Okay. So you simply go to the button, links and action, and here you can see new action and new button. You can use either, both have different uses, but like in future when you learn LWC or something, then you can understand more. So if I want to create one visual force type of button or lighting component flows button, then we can choose the new action. And if I want to create some button like some JavaScript button or uh, any other type of button, then we can go with the new button and relationship. Simple. So simply you can create a new buttons from here and you can drag and drop into the page layout. Hope this is clear. So fields and relationship clear, page layouts clear, button and links are clear, right? Now the last thing is lightning record pages. So lightning record pages is something like, don't follow this one. So simply when you go to the contact, how you can change these ones. If I want to change these fields, how you can do that? Using page layout. How you can change this? Using compact layout. How you can change this? Using buttons. Now I want to change the whole layout. How can I change this? You need to go to the gear icon, click on edit pages, and it will redirect you into the lightning record pages only. Okay. So in see contact record page. So if I go to the contact object, lightning record pages, then you can see some default pages. So if I go to the lightning record pages, where we have okay, we don't have here, but yeah, this is what we have in the contact record page. Okay, this is what we have as a, this is a lightning record page. Okay, so from here I can drag and drop anything, I can make it simple. Okay, so this is how you can change the lightning record pages. This is what we have in the lightning record pages. Hope this is also clear. So here you understand what is fields and relationship, what is page layout, what is lightning record pages, what is button and links, what is compact layout. So this part is clear, right? Now the one thing which I want to say is validation rules. What is validation rules in Salesforce? So what is validation? Like whenever you fill any form, you see that some type of error messages, right? Something like your phone number should be 10 digit, your email should be @gmail.com or @outlook or something, right? Or um, if you type too much characters, then it will give you the error. If like there are a lot of validations you can write. So how we can write that type of validation in Salesforce using validation rules? Okay, so simply you go to the new, write any rule like phone number should be 10. Okay, and here you can use anything like length or something, and here you can write phone number field or something. Okay, if it is greater than 10, then show the error, or if it is less than 10, then you can show the error. Phone should not more than 10 digit. So you can write more validation rule, you can write any type of validation rule actually, but this is some example of one type of validation rule. You can write any type of validations. Hope this is clear. Alright. So today we learn about data types, record pages, button and links, also some validation rules. So yeah, this is what I want to discuss in today's tutorial. Thank you so much for joining this tutorial. I want to make these tutorials very simple. That's why I'm just covering the topic. Now you guys need to go and learn validation rule. You need to practice validation rule. How you can practice? Simply go to ChatGTP, see some examples, or you can follow any YouTube series for validation rules here and right. So I'm just trying to teach you in very simple language so that everyone can understand. So thank you so much for joining this lecture. Bye bye.